Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten and I'm going to do a very quick overview for you on how to earn money with Webtalk. Webtalk is a social site. It's a mix of both the social and the business aspects of what people do online. They're from St. Petersburg, Florida, and they have created a financially rewarding referral program that organizations can use to earn funds from using social media. Very sadly, though, many organizations haven't been told about this. They don't know that they can use the internet and technology to earn funds. But now, I'm telling you, now those who act strategically can benefit in a very big way by making a small change on how they use the internet. So your financial rewards are coming from this. You are being rewarded for the usage and sharing of the site to grow both the traffic and the membership base. So Webtalk is sharing up to 50% of all revenue with all members for using and sharing their platform. Very simple. There are no minimums, and you can really earn from your very first post. They are actually offering 3 income streams. For more information or to get started, join. Message me on Facebook or connect with me on Webtalk once you get inside. Talk soon. Thank you.